Here's how to pin and unpin contacts in the messages of your iPhone. Now let's open up the messages app of your iPhone. You can see I have some family members here that are pinned to the top, meaning they will always be on the top, no matter if I have a new message from them or not. If I wanted to pin somebody, I can do it two different ways. I can tap on the edit button here and then hit edit pins. Just like this, I can tap on the little pin to add somebody or tap on the little minus to remove somebody. However, you might not see that edit button at the top left depending on how you have the filters set up on your messages. So there's another option as well. I can just press and hold on the contact and then I can just hit pin. Just like that, they are pinned onto the taskbar at the very top. And again, similarly, I can press and hold and then just hit unpin, and they'll just be put back to the normal place, which will essentially just be ranked based on who I've received messages from the most recent.